Welcome to this crucial training on how to move past simply creating content and start building real authority. We are going to break down the difference between noise content, the stuff everyone ignores, and signal content, the writing that converts high-level clients. Most founders are stuck on the content treadmill, posting daily, chasing likes, and hoping something clicks. This effort is exhausting and often fails to produce real growth. At Swarigio, our core philosophy is, visibility without systems is just noise. Posting more isn't the fix. Fixing your underlying mechanism is. Here's the core rule. People don't ignore content because they're busy. They ignore it because it says nothing new. So what exactly is this noise content we need to eliminate? Noise content includes generic tips, surface-level hooks, and advice that everyone else is already sharing. It's safe, and therefore forgettable. A perfect example of noise is 3 ways to grow your email list. While helpful, it's a tired topic. It confirms what the audience already knows, offering zero insight or tension. Noise fails because it only offers low-leverage tactics. It doesn't challenge the audience's current way of thinking, so it doesn't create the necessary tension to drive conversion. Now, let's pivot and define the content that actually builds authority: signal content. Signal content is specific. It directly names painful truths the audience is facing and offers a new belief or framework to solve it, establishing you as the authority. Instead of the noise how to fix your funnel, the signal rewrite is, your funnel is a mechanism problem, not a content problem. This shifts the focus from effort to system, immediately creating authority. Another strong signal example is naming an inconvenient truth, like the lie of volume, challenging the belief that posting more equals success. This creates immediate tension with the standard guru advice. How do we consistently create this powerful signal content? Step 1 is identifying your audience's painful truth, which Vishal Baurai calls the mechanism problem. What are they secretly struggling with that no one else dares to name? Step 2, introduce the new belief. This is your unique authority positioning. Instead of saying do this, say this is why your current approach is failing, and offer your system as the solution. The final step is to use your content to convert, not just engage. The signal naturally leads to a call to action because you've solved their core problem, not given them a surface-level tip. To wrap up this training, let's revisit the core principle that separates signal from noise. Remember this final rule. If it doesn't challenge the audience, it won't convert them. Authority comes from confrontation, not conformity. Shift your focus from the endless hustle of noise to the predictable systems of signal. Build authority by being clear, not just loud.